one of my cosplay get ready with me's. I would have like showed you how I put the wires in this dress, but it took so fucking long and it was stressing me the fuck out. But let me show you guys, because the wires are like really nice. So it flares out. And so yeah, I have the dress on. It shows my butt a little, like, maybe. But it's really cute. It is cute. It's really tight on my arms, I will say, very tight on the arms. But then it has a little flutter at the bottom. So the next thing I'm gonna do is style the hair. I need to spike it out because her hair is spiked out, okay? And then we're gonna do the makeup, take pictures, take some videos, and yeah. I love that I'm doing her because I literally have the body shape of her, so for me this is hitting home. You know, this is one of the only characters other than Cool that I've done, that I've cosplayed where I fit their body shape. So with that being said, I'm going to spike it. So I'm also going to record so you guys can see. It's going to be really fast forward.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted you, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always wanted you, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not Baezy. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all's over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You wanna get with me, stop it. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not feel that little boy in the clouds? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? You telling me taste the death. Pointing at nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Why they just called me to tell me come get it? Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Back on the little like the garden they eat it. Little talk hit him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
Yeah.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing back, saying baby, you love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. 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 I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in it.
So guys, this is my Tatsumaki outfit. It looks really cute. I finished my makeup. Here's the bag. Got my ass up. Yeah. So this is how it looks. This is my makeup. I feel so pretty. But I love it. I did do some curls. I didn't do all the curls because I started fucking struggling. I was like, I don't have time for this. So Yeah, yeah, I mean, as long as it's curly, it's pretty canon, so it doesn't have to be the curliest, you know, it just needs curl in general because her hair is curly. But yeah, I'm not gonna put any blush on today because I really looked at her pictures and she don't be fucking blushing. That girl don't be, girl, shut up. But that's not my girl, that's my baby Ichigo. But yeah, she don't be blushing. So anyway, this is my outfit. I'll show you guys one more time. It does bend a lot, so I have to keep rebending it myself. But I'll show you up close. So for the girls, it does not show my pussy, not even here, and then the back. Yeah, it does give a little ass though. I will say that. But I mean, it's a body dress, you know. Like I like that it does that. I think it's cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed my get ready with me. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe and comment. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Six figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit the E. Niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in a grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in a place. Really just lap every